guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off notifications or even like enable like notifications. So go to settings and go to notifications, and here you have like a lot of apps under notification style. For instance, you want to turn off notifications from messages. So you're just going to choose this like button and sort of like slide it to the left. Well, just tap on it to like not allow notifications. And for instance, you want to turn a notification on, just like enable that. Just click on the button, and under that we have alerts. You can adjust that too. For instance, you only want it to appear on the notification center and banners, so you don't want it to appear to like on your lock screen, and you can also choose either temporary or persistent banner style. You can change the sounds of it, show previews. For instance, you don't want it to show the messages. Like for instance, it's like private and you don't want anyone to read that. You can choose never when unlocked, so it'll show the preview when you've unlocked your phone, or like always, like it's fine if people see like that notification, but it's safe to choose never to like not show the preview. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.